Yahoo! It's Shori again. Today I'm going to make cottage cheese and pizza. Cottage cheese is very easy to make from scratch apparently, so I'm going to make it with milk and lemon juice. Let's get started. よいしょ。ではスタートです。まずミルク、牛乳です。全部使います。And then turn on the turn on the fire。これぐらいの火の強さです。中火から若干強火ぐらいだそうです。小さじ 0.5 ぐらいの塩を入れます。And now I'll wait for the milk will be around 80 degrees. I have this タニタのなんていうのターモメーター。待ちましょう。Japan has so many kinds of milk like tasteable new Indio, but please make sure you choose the 牛乳 and then you can check the 乳脂肪 and if the percentage is more than 3.5 it should be okay. So now it's about to boil, so I'll just check the temperature. まあこれで OK でしょう。よし、そしたら次は火を弱火にします。こんな感じで弱火です。Then we are going to add the lemon 60ぐらい。ワンレモンでちょっとIn the instruction said I shouldn't mix too much, so just make sure the lemon is evenly mixed. 見て、it's already ちょっとできてきてる。いいかな。As you can see now the liquid and these チーズの素分離しました。なので蓋をして10分待ちます。おお、すごい。いいね。水分とこのチーズがきちんと分離するまで待ちましょう。今から適当にトマトソースを作っていきます。ピザのソースです。オニオン、ガーリック、チリ、トマト、ミニトマトですね。オニオン、酒とみりんをちょっと入れて塩をたっぷり入れます。コンソメを砕く。無理だ。ハーブを入れます。これだとちょっとでかすぎるので半分に切ります。 きました。all ingredients できました。まずチーズ、パプリカ、キノコ、ベーコン and spam、テリヤキスパム、basil、chorizo、spinach and this is the 半熟卵です。ホームメイトマトソースがいい感じです。結構辛い。So I think I'm going to make 4 kinds of the pizza. First つ目のピザ焼いていきます。I'm going to add this cottage cheese when we eat, so this is enough. Okay. Okay. 3つ目はこんな感じ。Last one です。これはマヨネーズとケチャップ。これを伸ばして、これ美味しいんだよね。スパム。できた。イエイ。テリヤキスパム。ピザができました。卵のピザとチョリソーのピザ、テリヤキスパムのピザと具だくさんピザです。And cottage cheese I made. It turned out very very good. I'm not sure about the taste, but let's see. いただきます。ミックスジュースのほろ酔いです。どうぞ。よし、いただきます。カッテージチーズを持っていっぱいやっちゃおうと。わっ。パロン。いただきます。めっちゃうまい。めっちゃうまい。大成功です。Especially cottage cheese is very ふわふわで美味しい。Now I reheated my pizza because I couldn't finish just now. I bought the pizza dough, pizza base from the supermarket. It was only less than 300 and currently if you want to bake or if you want to do some takoyaki party or okonomiyaki party at home, the old flour are gold because I think the Japanese people wants to start baking, wants to start something new. So I just assume that's the reason why it's gold. Even though I think there was the flour or those ingredients, I don't think I will make it from scratch. So I bought the pizza dough. It cost only 300 yen, and I made the cottage cheese from scratch. I already made it cold. If you make the cottage cheese from scratch with milk, lemon juice, and a bit of salt, you will have the hoe. According to the recipe, this hoe can make the another cheese, which is going to be ricotta cheese. That sounds good too. I'm not sure if I can make it, but this Hoi has a lot of the nutrition. So if you make the soup with this, it's very delicious. So I'm going to use this for something. But yeah, I enjoyed making the pizza and cottage cheese from scratch today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and hit the like button and leave the comment. Thank you. Bye bye.